In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage marketing funnels in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clear, conversion-focused funnel report and where to manage it going forward. Start by signing into your HubSpot account and landing on the home screen. From here, head to the top navigation and open the reporting area. Then choose Reports. This takes you into the reporting workspace where all of your saved and shared reports live and where we'll build the new funnel. Once you're in the reports area, switch to the marketing section to focus on marketing related templates and collections. Now click Create and then select Create Report. This is your gateway to HubSpot's report builders and templates. In the report creation gallery, choose Funnel Report. Funnel reports are designed to visualize how contacts or deals progress through key stages, highlighting drop-offs and conversion rates so you can quickly see where to optimize. After selecting Funnel Report, click Next to move into the builder. Now select the event you want to build your funnel around. Think about the key moment that represents meaningful progress in your marketing journey. This could be actions like a page view or a form submission, or milestones like a lifecycle stage change. Pick the event that best represents the first gate in your marketing flow so your funnel measures the right audience moving forward. The clearer your event selection is, the clearer your insights will be. When you're satisfied with your selection, click Next to review. HubSpot will guide you through any final setup details. If you see options that help clarify your audience or time frame, use them to make the report more accurate for your team. When you're ready, click Save Report. Then click Next and finally click Save to confirm and finish creating your funnel. Once your funnel is saved, you can return to the reports area to manage it. From there, you can open the funnel anytime to monitor performance, adjust settings, or refine what you're visualizing. Consider aligning this funnel to a dashboard your stakeholders already use so the data stays front and center. It's also a good practice to review the report's date range and make sure it matches your campaign windows, and to keep naming conventions consistent so everyone finds the right funnel quickly. That's it. You've created a funnel report and know where to manage it. Revisit it regularly to track conversions, spot bottlenecks, and inform your next round of optimizations.